Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and use Amazon on Afterpay. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Afterpay, log into your account if you haven't. So you are logged into your account here. So now what are you going to do if you're going to use Afterpay on Amazon? So what you're going to do is, so click on shop now and then search for Amazon. Okay, so when you search for Amazon, you will see the Amazon gift card option. So click on Amazon gift card. Unfortunately, you can only use Afterpay on Amazon through gift cards only, because otherwise Amazon doesn't allow like after to use Afterpay directly. So the only workaround we have here is by using the gift card. So select the gift card option, and then what you're going to do is simply just purchase a gift cards through Afterpay. So just select any amount that you wish to purchase, like depending on your purchase on Amazon, just select an amount. Okay, and then hit on buy for yourself and then get it done. So once you have purchased this gift card, so now what you're going to do is simply have to log into your Amazon account, and then when you check out, or if you get to your account settings here, payment under payment options. So if you click on your account, so if you go to your payments under payment section, you can also do this when you check out in Amazon as well. You can simply hit on wallet. Under wallet you will see Amazon gift card. So what you're going to do is simply click on it, and then you can add your Amazon gift card here, or else you can straight away redeem your Amazon gift card that you just purchased through Afterpay when you check out in Amazon. So this is the only workaround we have at this moment. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.